welcome back. Here is the first opening is from Teleperformance, hiring for medical coding freshers for Chennai location. Walk-in is from 11th June. Only tomorrow left, 13th of June. I think I have already shared about this opening previously also. So they are looking for opening CPC or CCA certification is mandatory. Bachelor's degree in life science, pharmacy, nursing or any health related courses is important, and 15,000 take home salary. Pickup and drop will be provided. Selected candidate should join immediately. Interested candidates can directly go for the walk-in drive with updated CV and government ID proof. From HR Hema. So this is the job description they have given. Here is another opening from Savista Healthcare. Tomorrow is the last date for the walk-in. We have already discussed about this video, about this opening in previous videos also. Tomorrow is the last date, just a reminder. Here is another opening from Corro Health, hiring for Bangalore location. Walk-in from tomorrow to the 22nd of May. For Bangalore location, both certified and non-certified can also apply. Certified candidates are not eligible. Only non-certified trainee medical code or designation, nursing graduates, uh, 30,000 CTC, 13th June to 18th June walk-in. I will give this link in the description also for your clear address. No online interview, 2 HR details. Clinton and Soundarya. I think I have already uploaded about this opening, but walk-in is ended on 11th of June, I think so. So this is one more chance for Bangalore candidates. Utilize this opportunity. Only nursing graduates are eligible. So this is one opening from Corro Health. Here is another opening from Global Healthcare, hiring for CPC certified freshers, medical coder, Chennai location. Walk-in is tomorrow, 13th of June. Uh, Position medical coder, fresher, any graduate with life science is mandatory, should not have no arrears. CPC certification is mandatory. Immediate joiners preferred. Interested candidates go for walk-in drive at 10:30. Mentioned address. Interested candidates kindly contact below HR details. I suggest better to go for the walk-in only for CPC certified candidates. So this is one opening from Global Healthcare. Here is another opening from Chennai, Corro Health, hiring for Chennai location, same nursing graduates only. The eligible criteria is the same for all Corro Health branches. Age should not be more than 28, should be minimum 60% in all academics, 10th, 12th and UG. Attractive salary, sponsorship of CPC certificate, sorry, CRC certification, Nikita HR. Here is one HR details. I have already uploaded these all openings in my Instagram page, so I will show you end of this video. So this is one HR details, Nikita. Here is another opening from medical underwriter. Walk-in is on 14th of June. This is for Enoch Healthcare, Coimbatore location till 20. Walk-in is there. Associate position, Coimbatore, permanent role, work from office only. This is the job specifications, eligibility criteria. Pause the video and read all those related topics. There also you should have knowledge on anatomy, physiology, terminology, diseases and treatment. So these all are the openings. Sorry. This is about Enoch Healthcare. We have already discussed about this opening also. Optum hiring for Mumbai location. Please once check my Instagram page. There I have already upload. I have given Optum Mumbai location HR details. Just one day ago they have uploaded. So they are looking for freshers. I think so. So once reach them, if they are looking, that will be added advantage to you only. So this is one opening from Optum Healthcare. So this is a Chennai poster. Here you can find another HR details. Here is another opening from Claris RCM, hiring for HCC certified coders. 2 years experience is mandatory. CPC or CCS certification is mandatory. Work from office only. Night shift, best in industry. Interested candidates can share your CV to Vigneshwar and HR. Another opening from Access Healthcare, hiring for HCC coder. 6 months to 4 years candidates can apply. HR Praveen. Freshers are not eligible. Chennai location. Same Claris RCM. Another HR details. Hema Kumar, 1 to 8 years experience, HCC experienced coders. Another opening from Altermed RCM, hiring for 150 trainees, means a trainee medical coder. Walk-in going on till 13th of June. Tomorrow only last date. I have already uploaded about this video yesterday only. So if you this is for Mohali location, 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is a WhatsApp number. Graduate or undergraduates. They have not mentioned whether it is for medical coding or for what opening. Just simply they have mentioned US Healthcare RCM only. They have mentioned. So this is one opening. Tomorrow is the last date for the walk-in. Here is another opening from Shrestha Technologies. I am not sure whether it is a company or institute. So open positions junior and senior medical coder certified freshers can also apply. HCC experienced medical coders can also apply. So here it is the contact details and email ID. Please know the company details. I am not aware of this company. Check it and go for the interview. I'm also not aware of this company also. A3 RCM Healthcare. It is all institute or whatever. I am not sure. So they are looking for certified freshers with experience in 6 months to in HCC. They are looking for walk in Monday to Saturday, 9:30 to 4 p.m. Bangalore location. Know the company status, details, everything, and then go for the interview. So this is one opening from A3. Chirok Healthcare hiring for Hyderabad location trainee medical coder. They have not given any walk-in details. So scan the QR code. You will get the link and apply through that. This is one opening. Eglat Healthcare hiring for proof surgery QS work from home opportunity. So you can check here. 25K applicable till 25th of June. Experience required. 4 plus years of experience is mandatory. Hyderabad based location. Interested candidates share your CV to this email ID or to this WhatsApp number. So this is one opening from Eclat Healthcare. Here is another opening from Medcode Services. They are hiring for Coimbatore, Kochi, Chennai locations. Any life science degree is eligible. CPC certified, CCS certification or equivalent is required, or minimum 2 years of experience in medical coding also eligible. Inpatient, outpatient, specialty specific dependence on the role. So if you are interested, share your CV to this email ID. So this is one opening from Medcode Services. Here is another opening from S2M Healthcare, hiring for certified medical coder position. Walk-in from 10 June to 20th of June, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Certified freshers. Here it is the location, and you can find the contact details also. So this is one opening from S2M Healthcare. So here you can see I have already uploaded all the openings yesterday only. So this is about today video. If you found this video is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do follow me in Instagram. I have already uploaded all these openings in Instagram page yesterday only. So thank you for watching.